So here we are, northern tip of Colombia, northern tip of South America. The northernmost tip point of South America is right here in the peninsula of La Guajira. And ColombianTours came over here just to show it to you. My channel, this is at the Faro, the lighthouse of Punta Gallina, right here. And let's check it out, what we see. Look, welcome to Punta Gallina. Okay, here we are, northern tip of South America. This is Punta Gallina, right here in the northern tip of the peninsula of La Guajira in Colombia. Okay, guys, these are the Dunas of Taroa, the Dunes of Taroa. Dunes of Taroa, las Dunas de Taroa. Look at this. This is the Guajira, northern Colombia, northern South America. This is the northern tip of South America in the peninsula of La Guajira. It's really beautiful. Let's see what we see at the other side. Come with me. Let's go up to see what we're going to encounter right after that mountain. I know there's a lot of wind blowing. Sorry guys about that. But the sound, but it's worth it. Believe in me. Look at this. Want to see an empty beach? ColombianTours. Give me a subscription, guys. Like it, share it. Dunes of Taroa. Estas son las dunas de Taroa, en la península de La Guajira, al norte de Colombia. What can I say? ¿Qué les puedo decir? Sin palabras, ¿no? Hermoso.